some specific insights into this blueprint of change. President Eugene understands that the shareholder greed of corporate America is the fundamental cause of customer service decimation and the degradation of the corporate employee morale. He therefore implements tax incentives at the federal level that could be used based on the matrix of the performance of these two, customer service or the employee morale, that the corporates would choose better treatments or better customer service as their profits would increase based on the tax incentives. It would stimulate the local economy vibrantly as the world watches America regain its customer service. He focuses in the Rust Belt, which was once the wealth engine of America, by rebuilding America's manufacturing industry and technology, not through subsidies or donations, but to bring back industries like steel, rubber, textile, through guarantees to the financial institutions that are so powerful in this country that they can now provide the resources for the growth capital and the most modern technology. This will create vibrancy of jobs, the pride in Americans, mid-America, that has been lost for the last 50 years. It is a major step, a major engine to national prosperity.
Father of Nations by Sanjeev Chitre, now on Amazon.